Hey everyone, so I am making this video because I had just received my genetic test results, and I wanted to share it with I'm speechless right now, honestly. I want to share my test results with you. It's quite a mouthful, so I want to go over it, then tell you what it means. This isn't the first time I went through genetic testing. I went through it before with another condition, rare neurological condition. So this is not the first time I had received genetic testing. And this is not the first time I received a result like this either. So, as well. So, with that condition, it took 2 rounds of genetic testing. And for the connective tissue panel, the one I had done, I went through this one time. So I just wanted to share that with you, that it's not my first time going through this. So I basically, talking to genetic counselors and stuff, I know what results mean. But I wanted to share it with you. My results did not come back negative per se. So, what it came back as, and it did not come back positive either. That's the thing. So let me flip over the camera and show you real quick. So my test results came back a variant of uncertain significance identified in 2 genes. Basically is what this means, is that they identified certain change or genetic change in my DNA that was uncertain, meaning they aren't sure if it's causing my problem yet, or disease causing yet. But the thing is, it can change in the future. So basically, as a result, I am still stuck in kind of like limbo as to if this is causing my problem or not. So that's what a variant of uncertain significance means. And it's in 2 genes. So what are the chances? I don't know. One of them is associated with neurodevelopmental differences and intellectual disabilities and whatnot, which is the MED12, is associated with that. And the TGFB2 gene is associated with Louis-Dietz syndrome. Nothing came back for Ehlers-Danlos syndrome in this specific test. But they did leave out one gene associated with classical-like Ehlers-Danlos syndrome that wasn't included in this test. And this test doesn't test for hypermobile type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. So we'll also have to see what when the genetic counselor calls me back and stuff, we'll have to see what they say about my results. And also that I will still be going to that Ehlers-Danlos evaluation still as well, because this is not, technically it's not a diagnosis yet. Is what it means, is that they're uncertain if this is what it is. So I will still attend that, and I might actually still be diagnosed with hypermobile type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome anyways, because it did not really exactly give me a diagnosis. It's definitely not negative, but there's like a 50-50 chance maybe that it can be positive or not in the future, basically is what it means. So as they discover more about these different genetic changes or variants in the gene, this can be changed, upgraded to either pathogenic or not. So it's something to keep in mind for future reference, because at this time they're not sure. So, yeah. So this is my result, and I wanted to jump on here and share it with you all. So it did not really give me any answers right now, but it's just a matter of waiting and seeing, I guess, still. So yeah, I don't know what the chances are they're going to be positive in the future or not. It's just something I guess we'll have to like wait it out and see what the genetic counselor also thinks about it, and also that I do have neurodevelopmental intellectual disability and whatnot and stuff, hypermobility, and it's possible, but who knows. In fact, if these are not causing my problem, I could probably still have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, hypermobile type. So it kind of like depends. It didn't really give me any solid, I should say, answers. But it limits the amount of other conditions that I likely don't have a little bit, because this is actually a possibility. I could have these, but they don't exactly know yet, is the thing. That's what that result means. So yeah. So yeah, that's my genetic test results. With that being said, I'll probably make another video and just, I don't know, I'll keep you all posted on everything, and about these results here, and with my genetic counselor and my Ehlers-Danlos evaluation and everything, because still, even though rheumatology department, I think they deal with all different kinds of hereditary connective tissue conditions anyways, not just EDS. So these are all different types of hereditary connective tissue conditions, okay, and stuff. So with that being said, that's my result. So uncertain significance, we'll see what's to come. So yeah.